Hello friends, so in this video I am going to tell you about all the important points of the chapter Growth of Nationalism. So first you need to read this. It's not that important, but yes, you have to read for your information. And then the factors leading to the growth of nationalism. This definition of nationalism that is highlighted is very important. You need to learn this. It can come in your 2 marks question, and then this you have to read it. And then these economic exploitations, you need to read them also. They just need to be read. And then the repressive colonial policies, this is very important. The question will come that what were the repressive colonial policies of Lord Lytton. So you have to write these 1, 2, 3 and 4 points. You have to write at least 4 points, and you can divide this point into 2 parts, and this is very important. This question is very important. You need to mark this, very important. Okay, it is very important. The question can come like this also, that what is Vernacular Press Act, so you have to write this, and what is Indian Arms Act, so you have to write this. This point can be divided into 2 separate points. Okay, and then this Sir C.P. Aylward. The question has not come separately from this part in so many years, but you don't know now whenever it comes, so you need to read this. Also, it is easy, well, you can read this. And then the social religious reforms movement, you need to read this part, and this is very important. This can come in your MCQ, that Raja Ram Mohan Roy was of Brahmo Samaj and Swami Dayanand Saraswati was of Arya Samaj. This is very important. And then Raja Ram Mohan Roy, you need to read this about this social reformer very nicely. His approach of religion, whenever the question comes that what was the approach of Raja Ram Mohan Roy towards the religion, so you have to write from here. And then this block is very important. Then the social reforms of Raja Ram Mohan Roy is also very important, so you need to learn this. And then the newspapers and all, this is very important. You need to learn them very nicely. Okay, and then you need to just read them. And then this is very important. This whole page is actually very important, all for Raja Ram Mohan Roy also, and for Jyotiba Phule also. Okay, Jyotiba Phule used the word Dalit for the first time in 19th century, so this you need to remember. Okay, and then this is very important. Jyotiba Phule's this question, that upliftment of women, is very important. I just want to tell you that this whole page about Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Jyotiba Phule, it is very important. Please, you need to remember this. Okay, and then this social justice for lower caste, that he was of Satya Shodhak Samaj. He founded the Satya Shodhak Samaj, and what was the aim of Satya Shodhak Samaj? Securing social justice for the weaker sections of society. So you need to learn this also. And then the effect of social religious reform movements on the growth of nationalism is not very important. You just need to read this, but yes, this point is very important. Question can come like that, mention the 2 contributions of Jyotiba Phule. Okay, so this you need to learn this. Okay, that what are the contributions of Jyotiba Phule. So from upliftment of women, you can write at least 2-3 points. You need to learn them. Okay, and then role of the press is very important. You need to learn this very nicely, and some of the prominent newspapers name you have to learn, and all the points are very important. Now comes your precursors of the Indian National Congress. This you need to read. Okay, you need to learn them. This is not so important, but yes, you need to keep them in mind. And then this all, you just need to read them, and you can learn also. But I have never seen any question coming from this part, but you never know, as I always say. And then formation of the Indian National Congress, you need to read this. And then some points which I have highlighted is important, so you just mark them. I hope this is clear. Like this part is important, this you need to read. This National Congress is very important. See the occurrence of it in the board examinations, so you need to read them. And then the sessions of the Congress, you need to learn that when was the first session of the Congress held, and under whose presidentship. The presidentship is important. The presidentship is important. That the first session of the Congress was under whose presidency? So it was W.C. Banerjee. A session of Congress was held under the presidency of Dadabhai Naoroji. Okay, and then the Surat session. Okay, so this you need to learn. This part is important, and this is not so important. But you need to learn the years. You need to learn that. See, this came in our 2024 board examinations. That when did Surat split take place? So it was 1907. Okay, so you need to read them. So now let me share some questions with.